This offers the freedom of classic motorcycles, combined with the safety of cars. The monoracer is a fully enclosed electric motorcycle. It reaches speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. It can also endure longer rides and has a driving range of up to 248 miles. Unlike other cabin motorcycles, Mono Racer can carry 2 people, the rider and a passenger. You will have plenty of room to stretch and move in this vehicle, and you can still hit top speeds. You can even store your personal belongings within the bike. There is a compartment that is 4.2 cubic meters. Mono Racer is powered by a rechargeable battery, which charges fully within 5 hours. There are secure 3-point seat belts that help keep your body in place as you ride. The makers mention that Mono Racer's egg-like shape reduces the impact of oncoming vehicles and outside forces. The Mono Racer is priced at €79,950, about US $92,575. You can order your bike by making a deposit of €40,000, about US $46,315. The Mono Racer really turns heads with its striking physical characteristics. If you are looking for a bike that fits right in with your favorite sci-fi movies or shows, definitely consider adding the Mono Racer to your collection of vehicles.